was born in Omaha, Nebraska, and lived there until I was 9 or 10 years old. It's had a kind of, it's a simple city and a normal childhood. It gets a little bit like it is right now in Chicago and so forth. It gets cold and snowy. I remember all that. But I moved to California when I was about 9.
Okay.
And grew up in the Los Feliz area, which is kind of East Hollywood and the hills there. I went to all Los Angeles City public schools. What's called Mitchell-Torino Elementary School. I came in the 5th grade. Thomas Starr King Junior High School and Marshall High School. And so all I knew was the public school system, and then I went to university in Berkeley. So I studied both undergraduate and then I stayed there for graduate school. Graduated from Berkeley. And then I came to Caltech as a postdoc, and I'm still there. And I also have a teaching job 1 quarter a year at Riverside.